Hey guys, back for another video. On today I'm back at the tint shop. Did I make a mistake the first time? I don't know. Stay tuned. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, so I'm back at the tint shop, and what I'm considering doing today, or what I'm going to do, is actually get a darker tint. This tint is okay actually, but what I don't like about it is there's still a high level of transparency that's there. I was flirting with also doing the front windows, but I'm a little hesitant about that. Even though doing the front windows, what it will do is it will help get rid of, there's a glare that this actually casts on the car. It's hard to see, but in other videos, this gray, a light gray, or it's a light gray dashboard, it reflects off of the windshield. So tinting this would actually reduce that, but I'm concerned about my visibility at night. But it might be hard to see in this video. Some angles it actually looks okay, and it doesn't look as transparent. Like right now, that actually looks okay. But I think I'm gonna go a little bit darker. So probably should have did it the first time, but you can probably see a little bit better there, how you can kind of see through the window. But we're gonna go back in there and then have them hook us up. All right, so let's go inside. Hey, what's up, man?
Good to see you.
You don't mind me recording, right?
Nah, I should. How's it going?
Hi, everything's good, man.
We go a little darker?
Yeah, okay. Dude, I probably
15.
Yeah, I probably should have did that the first time, huh?
Right.
And 15 is.
I don't even have it up there, honestly. 15 is what I have on the Cadillac.
Yours?
Yes. Yeah, my front window. The whole thing's 5. The rear looks darker because once you get to the back, it's. So I have my front windshield tinted in 45. Well, my rear's in 15.
This is Dustin's guy.
So it looks darker even though it's all the same exact shade.
So I got 25. He got 15.
That's 15.
Wow.
That's the next shade.
It's crazy that it does depend on the angle and the
windshield is so dark where yours isn't, so that's making everything look darker. My sunroofs are done, so there's no light getting into this car right now. It is just a dark hole in there. I love it.
So that's 15. That's
15 also. Yep, the whole thing is 15. This is 45, and then I did 5 up here.
Wow. Five is gonna be crazy dark.
Yeah, that's why I would do 15.
Yeah.
We're gonna, because it's still gonna be lighter than mine looks again, because your windshield's not done.
Yeah.
That dark, you know?
Yeah. In some angles, man, it looked like perfect.
Yep.
But then
sometimes it looks
when the sun is like out,
yeah.
you like, dang, is it even? And then people like, so it's not as incognito.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do a 15. I think you'll love it. I think 5's too much.
Okay. Say what's up, Dustin, man. Tell them about your shop, man.
Over here in Ventura, 2001 Palma Drive. Been in business 5 years, specializing in all audio, window tinting, custom, fabrication, anything you can think of, we do it all here.
All right, guys, so we're here, we're inside, getting it all situated. So we're gonna go from, right now it's 25, it's gonna go down to a 15. So they're gonna take the 25 off and they're gonna put the 15 on. So hopefully it's a little bit more darker than what we want. Not than what we want, but it's dark as what we want and not as light as the one is right now. So stay tuned. We'll see if I make the right choice this time. All right.
So the removal is a heat gun, like a steamer. Think of it like dry cleaning almost.
Oh, okay.
Steaming off, we pull a corner, it literally just comes off. Pretty simplistic, a little bit of glue left behind. And you just take a flat razor with like a simple, it's called Awesome. It's like a very goof off, a very nice version of that. Goof off is brutal, that'll ruin everything you touch. It'll ruin your clothes, the whole nine. It's a very soft solvent. Scrape it off, start over, done. Pretty simple. Wow. Now you get these older cars, they're all bubbled out, cracked in, you know, terrible. It's a nightmare. Yeah. It's a nightmare. It's scraping and scraping and scraping and scraping. Yeah, not fun.
So much easier to take off than it is to put on.
Much
about the same. Harder to take off.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. And not with some film, especially because you just got it done so soon, but 15 years, you go to retint this thing, it's not gonna be that easy. It's not gonna be as easy as it is right now today. Yeah. So that's what really depends too.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. They actually have snacks and stuff for their guests. So you come in here and snacks and stuff for free. That's pretty tough. Like that. guys, I think the finished product is ready. So we're gonna see here in a second. Did I make the right decision? Will I come back a third time? We're about to see. make the right. I think I got the right one. Yeah, if you guys need tint done, come out to Audio Tint Lab here in Ventura. I mean, these guys do an amazing job. Dustin, the owner, like super cool. The guy is super cool. And if you come out, you know, tell them Keys Ride sent you. And they made Dustin and Obi by LaMarcus, but we about to see. We about to see the anticipation.
Keys right there. I don't need them.
Let's go see. Let's go see. Will I come back for a third time? If so, it's gonna, yeah, gotta definitely get the windshield done. Yeah, that.
Much better.
Yeah, that's better.
The sun beating right through the window, so that's
Yeah.
the light it's gonna get.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's it. Yeah. So now, if I got the 80%, you say 80%,
80's what's legal, yeah.
and it's barely noticeable.
Barely, yeah. They only make so it goes 45, what I have, straight to 70 and 80. So it's like there's no in between, which 45 I think is a little too much.
Yeah.
So I would do 70 or 80 for sure.
So at night it got to be tough to see.
I know, honestly, it's no harder. I drive a lot, I mean, obviously I drive a lot at night, I don't get off till nighttime.
Yeah, yeah.
With ceramic film, you don't really, the transparency internally is much easier to see out of than like a more basic film. So if you put like a cheap film, nighttime would be, not fun. But with the ceramic film, it's just much easier to see out of, which is great.
Yeah. And that still ain't bad. My wife was concerned about it. It'd be too dark for her to drive.
Yeah, no.
And I'm like, I think so.
Yeah, much better look.
Yeah. All right, man, you did it.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one.